brings many things with it. Chilled ice creams, cold drinks, juicy mangoes, and many more. But the most awaited is summer vacation. Not only the students, even the parents, and of course, we teachers also wait for that. This is the time when we get break from regular studies and the books. This is the time when we can learn new skills, and summer camp is best for that. This vacation, our little Marians have learned many new skills in online summer camp. Let's have a look at some of them.
Good morning, sir. Today we will do student namaskar. Thank you. Good morning, ma'am. My name is Bhumika Gangwar. I study in class 3rd, section C. My first yoga, Alone Belong. My second yoga. My third yoga. First, ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Ice cream, you scream, we all scream for ice cream. Now number 2. पीतल के पतीले में पपीता पीला पीला. 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 Thank you all of you. Good morning everyone, myself Siddhant Pongwar from class 4th B. In today's life, first aid is very important for all of us. First aid is emergency care given immediately to a injured person. So, can I tell what first aid stands for? So there it is. F. F stands for first and foremost, safety is the one of the best policy. I. I stands for it is one thing one should or cannot take for granted. R. R stands for relearn or learn what first aid is. S. S stands for so that you can help the people who are in need of medical help. T. T stands for to equip yourself with life-saving skills. A. A stands for and by doing so you can be of great help. I. I stands for in the society and in your family. D. D stands for do it now, relearn or learn what is first aid. Thank you. Good morning, all of you. Today I am doing experiments. This is the first experiment. We rub the flour on the white paper. Then we dry it for some time. When it was dry, we rubbed the lemon on it. First it is in purple in color, now it is in pink in color. This is second experiment. Now we take some turmeric powder and take some water. Now we mixed it. Now we take some detergent. Then we mixed it. It's become red. Now we take some lemon drops. Now it becomes yellow again. This is third experiment. We take one glass and add one lemon. It is looking
being small. Now we add water in it. It's become big. Now we take some salt in it and then we mix it. Now it's floating. The fourth experiment. We take some toothpick and bend it. Now we make a shape of star. Now we drop some water in the center of star. Wait for some minute. Now we look at it's join the axis of stars.
रूप रंग सजाऊं मेहंदी हाथा मैं लगवाऊं पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं पायल कंगन भी मंगवाऊं फिर नीर भरण में जाऊं घूंघट काना साका ढूंढना कसर घालूंगी बावन गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी बावन गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी गाँव में होवे गाज खुड़का जुत्ती मड़कड़ हाड़ी पहरो छिड़ेगी बहुआ में तकरार जब मैं हवा की दरिया लहरूं सोने की गुत्थी गले में हार डालूंगी बावन गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी बावन गज का दामन पैर में टक चलूंगी
Respected sister principal and teachers, I am Ayushi Nathani from class 5th. On the behalf of all the students from class 1st to 5th, I would like to say that we are grateful for the summer camp. We had learned many different activities and it's so fun to learn different yogasan, aerobic, cooking, calligraphy, etc. We enjoyed a lot in science lab activity as well as the confusing tongue twister. Calculation also became easy for us in Vedic maths. All the activities we had in summer camp were amazing and enjoyable. More than that, they are useful for us in our future lifetime. I would like to conclude by thanking our respected sister and principal for organizing this summer camp, as well as our respected teachers for putting up their effort so that we can learn something new. Thank you.